In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make Facebook ads using AI tools that don't suck, but will get you 3x, 7x, and up to 10x return on your ad spend. Really quickly, a little bit about me. I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on ads over the past 9 years, and my new brand, Therapyware, has done $30,000 in sales in its first 3 months only using Facebook ads. Believe it or not, all the best performing ads for us were created using AI tools. Just follow this step by step and take notes because there's gonna be a ton of sick resources you're gonna want to remember. Okay, first let me show you the ad that's been absolutely crushing for my brand, consistently getting us at least a 3x, 4x, 5x return with our ad spend. And at the same time here, you'll learn a little bit about what I'm selling.
This is the fastest, coziest, and most effective way to fix neck, back, or shoulder pain. Trusted by chiropractors, physiotherapists, and massage therapists, it delivers targeted infrared heat therapy for pain caused by poor posture, bulging discs, arthritis, whiplash, pinched nerves, and stress. The Therapyware Relief Hoodie guarantees to relieve your pain within 30 days or your money back. Free shipping in Canada and the USA. Use the code RELIEF15 for 15% off your order and get yours while limited supplies last.
Pretty cool looking ad, eh? That's my Canadian accent coming out. I'm gonna show you now how exactly I created this ad, the whole process step by step. Let's go. Step number 1 is to do some quick research into the ad that you want to make, how you want to script it, and what's working for other brands. If you didn't know this, you can see all of the ads that any brand is running on Facebook ads if you go to facebookads.com/ads/library. On this page, you can type in any brand that you want and see the ads that they're running to get inspiration. Hell, you could even type in my brand, Therapyware. For example, I'm looking at a company called Retro Games. It's also a one-product company, and I can see all of the ads that they're running and get inspiration for how to start the script, how to hook at the beginning, what types of visuals they're using, and how they're editing. Now, here's a sick tip. If you look up a company and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see the ads that they've been running the longest. These are likely their best performing ads. They would have killed them, they would have turned them off if they weren't performing well. And these are ones that you want to get the most inspiration from for your own brand. The second step is to use ChatGPT to write a script for your ad. This is going to save you so much time, and it's going to do probably a better job than you can at actually writing the script for your ad. Here's an example of a prompt that I'd use on ChatGPT to help it write a script for me. Now I can also mention that there's a 30-day money back guarantee, or also mention that there's free shipping in North America, or that there's limited supplies, or whatever it is that you want to include in your ad. You can just tell it to write it for you. And please remember that on ChatGPT, you don't have to be nice. You can ask it to make as many changes to what it's written as you want. So ask it over and over again until you get your ad read to be absolutely perfect. Okay, now really quickly before we get into the final juicy 3 steps, Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at design.com. Speaking of AI tools, if you need designs made for your brand and you're not a designer yourself, I highly recommend you try them out. Just go to design.com/apparel success. Type in whatever your sick idea is for your logo. Hit generate. Thousands of logos are gonna come up that you can edit and refine as long as you want for free until it's perfect. I've used this to make a ton of designs within my own businesses. If you're interested, head over to design.com/apparel success and you'll get up to 88% off at checkout. And we're back. Step number 3 is to go to 11labs.io. This is where you're gonna generate a realistic sounding voiceover that's gonna read your script for you. It might even sound something like this. This is the fastest, coziest, and most effective way to fix your neck, back, and shoulder pain. All right, no more kidding around here. I'm wasting your time. Oh, it's YouTube. Everything needs to be, every second needs to count. Go to text to speech. Now, this is where you're gonna copy the script that ChatGPT wrote for you and paste it into the text to speech here. On the right-hand side, this is where you're gonna select the voice, and there are dozens of different voices that you could use for your brand based on who you're selling to, who your target audience is, and I just recommend that you choose a voice that will really resonate with your particular target audience. Hit generate speech, it'll play it back for you. If you like it, you can download it into MP3. If you don't like it, you can hit regenerate speech and toggle the different types of sounds like similarity, how exaggerated you want the voice to be until you get it sounding absolutely perfect. Now, when it comes to editing the actual video, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. Whatever editor you want to use, go for it. It doesn't have to be Adobe Premiere Pro. I know that there's some free editors out there, but that's what I use. So I just dropped the MP3 of the ad read into the timeline, and now I have the ad read to work with. Step number 4 is I'm gonna put some copyright-free background music behind it. Hands down, the best resource for this is pixabay.com. You go to the music section, I type in inspiring music. If you want trap music, something gangster, whatever it is that you want, just type it in there. All of this music is just completely free on here that you can use copyright free. You don't need to worry about getting flagged or anything like that. And when you find one that you like, just hit the little download button and you can use it inside of your videos. So I just take that background music and I drop it into the timeline in audio track 2. I adjust the volume a little bit lower so that you can actually hear the ad read. And now really simply, all you have to do is just add the visuals. So if you have pictures, if you have videos, just drop them into your timeline, edit them together over top of your ad read so that it makes sense, and hit export. Once you've edited your video together into something that you like, you've got your ad ready and it's basically ready to go. But step 5 is going to be adding visual captions to it. This part's super easy. Take the video that you just made, send it to your phone, download the Captions app on your phone. It's completely free to use. And inside of this Captions app, you can import the video and you can add captions that look however you want them to look. And the AI inside of the Captions app will hear what's being read in the ad read and it will automatically create text that's exactly what's being said. And when you have these captions looking the way that you want it to look, boom, you're done. You've got a sick ad that you can post. You can make these all the time since it's fairly quick. You can just change up the visuals, maybe change up the ad read from a different start or a different hook at the beginning. And this is what I've used to create ads that are absolutely crushing for my brand. Please, if you got value out of this video, hit the like button for me, drop a comment. It means the world to me and I appreciate you watching. Also, if you want to work closer with me and a community of other brand owners, check out apparelsuccessmastermind.com and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.